Have you ever wanted to learn how to make cute bentos like in the animes? They can take a lot of time and energy to make, but it's rewarding in the end when you see it come together. For the first bento in this series, I'll show you how I made a simple Pikachu bento with air fryer karaage. Because who doesn't like Pikachu? First, we'll pre-cut some carrots into some fun shapes. Then we'll half boil and half steam some broccoli. I tend to boil only a little bit of water since it helps save a little bit of time from having to wait for a large pot of water to boil. After 3 to 4 minutes of cooking, drain the broccoli and season with salt and pepper and set aside. Next, we'll need egg yolk to make the rice yellow to make Pikachu. I air fried my eggs for 10 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Then I dunk the eggs in cold water until they're cool enough to touch. I'll admit I'm not the best at peeling eggs, but that's okay for now because I just need the egg yolk. Slice them in half and scoop out the yolk. It probably would have been better if the eggs were air fried for an extra minute. Next, we'll make the air fryer karaage. In a small bowl of chicken thigh, add garlic, ginger, sake, and soy sauce to mix everything together. Allow the chicken thigh to marinate for at least 30 minutes. While you're waiting, we'll make the dredge mix. In a small bowl of cornstarch, add black pepper, salt, and baking powder and mix until well combined. I find potato starch gives better texture to the karaage, but I didn't have it on hand. You can serve the karaage with Kewpie mayo, but I'd like to show you how I make my spicy mayo sauce since it goes well with karaage too. In a tiny bowl, add sriracha to some Kewpie mayo and then lime juice to give it more tang to help cut the fat in the mayo and the chicken thigh. For extra flavor, sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix everything until well combined. After the chicken is done marinating, grease the bottom of the air fryer basket. Coat each piece of chicken with the dredge mix and shake off any excess powder. Place the pieces of the chicken in the air fryer basket with a bit of space between them. Spray the chicken pieces generously with an oil spray until you see no more visible powder. Air fry the chicken pieces at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Flip the chicken in the air fryer basket and spray generously with oil spray until no starch is visible. Then air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Now we can assemble the bento. To make Pikachu, we have to stir the egg yolk into the rice. If the egg yolk was a bit drier, it probably would have mixed into the rice better. Put some plastic wrap so the rice won't stick to your hands. Mold the head of Pikachu into a thick patty. To make his eyes, cut out circles from the nori sheet and then a small triangle for his nose. I cut wide triangle shapes out of the nori sheets to make the tips of Pikachu's ears black. For Pikachu's cheeks, we'll be cutting out circles of the chicken bologna and then another shape for his mouth. For the shine in his eyes, use a toothpick to apply the Kewpie mayo to the circles of nori. Then we'll arrange the broccoli, grape tomatoes, and carrots around Pikachu to fill that compartment of the bento box. For the second half of the bento, we'll also fill the whole container with karaage with sauce on the side and sprinkle green onions on top and arrange some more carrot flowers to brighten the bento. Now we can package the bento and give it to a loved one. In this case, I gave it to my significant other so he could have it for lunch at work. If you enjoyed this video, hit those like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on more bento videos and other future content. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.